Good morning, students. Again, I have uploaded all the word meanings in this in this video, so you can go through and write down this in your notebook. Again, I am reminding you that you have to write down this in your notebook, and please learn the word meaning also. That's the homework. Okay, don't waste your time. These are the meanings here, so write down in your notebook and learn it. Again, completing, and please learn the spellings correctly. Okay, write down in your notebook. Again and again I'm reminding you have to write down write this word meaning in your notebook. After this, I have given you the next question. This is question number 1 and this is 2. Okay, now this is 3 and this is your 4 and this is your question number 5. Now you have 5 questions here. Okay, now we have got 5 questions. 1 2 3 4. Okay, and this is the fifth one. What you have to do, I have given the this exercise, I have given answers are at the back. Now this phonetic symbols. Okay, if you have the Oxford dictionary you can do yourself, but then I have written down here with pencil, but then I want you to do it. Okay, dear students, now these words are in your dictionary and you find out what is the correct spelling of their phonetic symbols. Okay, these are the phonetic symbols and these are the words. Okay, you have to do it, learn it. That is also your homework. Otherwise I will be asking you to do it on the board when you come back to the classes. Now I had given in the beginning of the chapter that this quotation is all not put in correct order. Now you have to put it in correct order. How? Now I will show you. Now this is a I was told that the way of the progress is neither swift nor easy. This is a correct. So you learn this. Okay, how to put the words in a order. Okay. Now after this you have question answers here. 1 1 2 3. Okay, till here 3, and then you have got it till 5 here. So here students, I complete my chapter 2, Marie Curie, a radiant life. You have learned from their life how struggle they had, and the girl had to leave even her own family, beloved ones. Now here in this only word meaning I have uploaded and the in-text questions. So please go through these word meanings. Please write down these word meanings in your copy. Okay, not only writing, you have to learn also. Okay, dear students, you have to learn these word meanings and write down first correctly. Don't come and tell me, ma'am, I did not know, I did not get, so I did not. If you have the book, you can write from the book also. So these are the questions here. 5 questions are here, and this exercise you will do. Find out yourself also from the dictionary. Okay. Then this words were not put in order, so I have put it in order now here. See, you can go through this. It is this sentence is at the beginning of the chapter. Okay. Now the answers are in text questions. Okay. 1 2 3 and fourth one I have not given you. Fourth one you will be doing yourself. Okay. Now fourth one, fourth answer you will be doing yourself. If you can do it, you do it. Otherwise, when you come to the class, I will be giving. But then I know you will do it. So the fourth question was what? Let us read. How did Freya do in order to help Mary with her research? Now, how followed the rapid progress of his wife experiment with interest. He left his own. He that is this answer is how. Help, the answer is left his own research. This is the answer. Left his own research. So you can write the answer from here. How did Brad do in order to help? How did he help? He left his own research in order to help with her research. Okay, left her his own research. So though I am not giving you, I explained to you the here answer. The answer is that he left his own research in order to aid with hers. Okay, he left his own research in order to aid with her research. Okay, dear students. So all the best to complete the chapter successfully, and wish you all the best to do well, learn well.